So in this video I'll be showing us how to design a custom logo, okay, and it's be on PixelLab. So I'm not going to waste time. You can see the logo on the screen. So launch PixelLab. Then the first step is to click on this plus at the top left. Okay, you'll be working with more of the shapes, so do well to watch the video all over again if you missed out in any part. Okay, you can pick a circle shape, then just follow the steps in the video. Okay, change the color to black. Okay, ensure to work with your grid line. Once you tap on the grid line icon at the top, your grid line is going to come out, so use your grid line to align your design. Okay, so copy the shape. Once you have copied it, click on edit so that you'll be able to edit the shape. Click on edit, the first edit, then we'll be doing something now. So increase the stroke, okay, then let's say you want to reduce the opacity. Okay, the first opacity you see, reduce it, then increase the stroke. Then the stroke color is the second color bucket you see. Okay, change the stroke color to white. Okay, go ahead and increase the stroke to make it 2. Okay, the width of the stroke. So after you are done, don't okay it, ensure you edit your shape from here before you okay it. So we want the shape to give us one design. Okay, so after I have okayed it, use your position key to place the shape in the center. Okay, if you feel the shape is not clear enough, it's rough, go ahead and copy it, delete the first one, then send this one to the center. Hope you are following, guys. You can go ahead and lock the shapes, then bring in another shape. Go ahead and bring in another shape. Okay, increase the radius this time, then just want to increase it to a certain size. Okay, there's something we are trying to design, guys. Do well to bring this other shape. You have brought this shape, send it to the center. So I couldn't finish the video that other time. Okay, so I'll try to be fast. Okay, so click on the plus, bring in another shape, increase the radius. Like I said earlier, I'll be working with more of shape. Okay, increase the radius, reduce the opacity, increase the stroke. Then below you see the stroke color, change it to white. Follow the steps, guys. Go ahead and reduce this one. Okay, let's just reduce it a bit. Then we'll go ahead and reduce the center one too. Okay, just lock one. Place it in the center, unlock this one, lock this one, then place it in the center. Go well to use your relative position key. Okay, so another thing we want to do now is to bring in a text. Follow the steps, guys. So let's just say you want to write Rex Kilowatts. You can design a logo like this for your social media profile. Hope you are following, guys. So once you are done, add some padding to it. Okay, so the padding is the spacing around the text. So go ahead and pick one simple font. You can use any default fonts there. So let's go ahead and modify this text a bit. Just leave it like that. Click on mask. Can you see mask? We want to mask some part out. You can go ahead and drag the mask. For more ways on how to use PixelLab, do well to subscribe to this channel, okay, and follow our Facebook page. You see it in the description below, so that you learn how to design with your smartphone for free. So we want to mask some parts out. Can you see what we are doing? Once you are done, we are masking in. You can also mask out. In this tutorial, I'm masking in. Okay, it undo. Before you mask, ensure to copy this text. Okay, so we'll be converting it from a text into what we can call like an element. Okay, so go ahead and hide these ones so that we'll see what we are doing. Okay, ensure you copy first. Okay, after I've copied, click on the layer at the top. Okay, then go ahead and mask. Okay, the mask is already set. You just need to modify it. You need to geo-modify it. Okay, then okay it. Then let's go ahead and change the one we maxed out to red. Can you see? Then you can also go ahead and change the below one, okay, to blue, or any color you want to change it to, depending on the background. That's why you need to know about color. Okay, go ahead and okay it. Let's say we want it to be red and blue like this. Okay, let's just make it to be red and blue like this. Okay, you can choose any other color you wish. Now after you are done, go ahead and unhide these ones. Okay, then at this point, do well to use your relative position key. Okay, so watch what I do now. Go to sizing, increase the size. Let's say we want to increase the size to 50. Okay, increase the size of this one too. Follow the steps, guys, to 50. Then use your position key. Okay, use your position key to send it to the middle. At this point, we are not merging. Okay, we just want to arrange the work and see how it will look, because we are also going to be modifying it. So make sure it's under this one, how it is supposed to be. Okay, you can go ahead and hide all these ones. Okay, so that you see what you are doing. Guys, if this is your first time on my channel, do well to subscribe, like and share the videos. Okay, so that others will also gain value from it. So unhide it, then click on one of the layer, go to curve. Can you see curve? So we'll be curving it. Ensure you know the amount of curve you are curving. Okay, so let's say we want it to be 70. Go ahead and drag it to the top here. So we want it to be here. Then click on the other layer, also curve down to be 70. At this point, don't use your hand, use your relative position key. Move it to the top. You can also hide these ones. Okay, so ensure it laps. Okay, so once you are done, go ahead and copy these ones. Go ahead and copy it one after the other. Okay, once you have copied this one, bring it down. Change the text. We want to write free training. Okay, so we are designing this for one of our. So go ahead and click on the other layer, which is the blue part. Follow the steps, guys. Then also go to edit text. So we want to write free training too. So we are bringing this one down here. Click on one of the layers, then you can go ahead and lock these first two layers. Okay, which are the ones at the top. So we are working with these new layers now. So you can go ahead and bring out the background so that you see what you are designing. So now we want to curve to the other side now. So ensure you know what fits. Ensure the text goes round the shape. Okay, with the same spacing, and spacing is one key element in graphics design. So if this text is too big, you can go ahead and reduce the size, or you can go ahead and use the rotate option. Ensure you rotate the other one too when you curve it, and know the amount of rotate you did. Okay, so let's say The rotate here is -3. So let's reduce the size to 48. Use your relative position key, move it to the center, drag it down. Okay, so go ahead, curve this one too. Guys, I know this video will be somehow a bit long because it's a full tutorial, so do well to watch the video all over again if you miss out in any part. Okay, so I'll try my best to speed up the video. So ensure to know the amount of curve you used in the other one, which is 70. So make the topper layer also be -70. So we are bringing the red layer to the top. Okay, then move this one, use your position key, go ahead and lock the background, ensure you align it, undo, ensure you align it, use your position key, move it to the top. Okay, don't use your hand, do well to rotate. Remember we rotated one, so rotate it to -3. Okay, then use your position key, then we reduce the size to, what was the size? 48. So go ahead and reduce this one to 48 so that it will fit in. So guys, you can design custom logos like this and cash out from it online. Okay, I'll be leaving a link in the description. Okay, there's one site called ytjobs.com. It's basically for people that do YouTube job. Okay, like you can create thumbnail, you can work on YouTube video, edit video, so that you can gain value from there too. So go ahead and hide these ones. Merge this first shape, this first round circle shape in the center. Okay, let's say we want to merge it. We want to merge it with the background. Are we following, guys? Make this circle shape with the background and go ahead and erase color. Okay, and you see, increase the tolerance. It has gone to the top, drag it down to the bottom, so it's going to go to the bottom. Okay, but if your own is giving you problem, ensure you are clicked on that layer, ensure you are clicked on the layer, then come here and you see front and back. Can you see? It means to the front, to the back. Can you see? To the front, to the back. Very easy. So once you are done, go ahead and merge these ones together. Before merging, go ahead and save your work in case there's any mistake. Okay, I already saved it before, I'll save it again now so you see. Go ahead and save as project. Let's just say new work and okay it. Okay, so that in case there's any design or merging gone wrong, you can quickly undo. So now I want to merge these two together. Okay, then merge these two together too. So after you have successfully merged those texts, go ahead and copy it. Copy the first one, then copy the second one too. Okay, so these ones that you just copied, they are the ones at the top. Okay, so the ones that were there before, we are going to ensure to hide those ones at the top. Okay, and lock it. Ensure to hide them, make sure they are not on the screen. Then go ahead and merge this background with this other two that was there before. Okay, so go ahead and erase color. Okay, there's a reason why we are doing this. Then increase the tolerance. Go ahead and unhide these ones, and bring this one here. Send the background to the back as we did the first time. So bring this one here, place it on top. Ensure you place it on top. Okay, you might not want to do this, okay, but you can also do it. There's a reason why we are doing this. Okay, so that our design will come out very well in the background. So if it's not corrected, we are going to correct it in the design process. So go ahead and change the color of this one to, we want to be using this custom color red, this dark red. You can also leave it in that light red. Let's say we want to use this light red. Then this other one, we also want to make that one red. Then this background itself, will be texturing it. Before you texture it, bring in a shape, change the shape color to black. Hope you are following, guys. If this video is bringing you value, share the video so that others will gain value from it. Drop your questions in the comment section, okay? So merge that shape you just brought in now with the background, okay, so that once we start changing it into a 3D, we will not have much problem. Now go ahead and use that same option to send it to the back. Can you see? Front and back, can you see? So once you are done, this background, we want to texture it now. You see the texture option. Texturing simply means backfilling a shape with another color. Okay, all you need to do is go ahead and look for the color and crop it. Okay, it was this color we used, so I'll go ahead and crop it out. Can you see? So once you are done, bring in a text. Let's say I want to write RK. So this text, go ahead and add padding to it. So we will not be using any font. What we want to do now is make it bold text. Okay, we don't want the underline, just bold text. Go ahead and change the color to, let's say, change the color to black. Then make sure it's in the center. Then copy it, because we'll also be changing it into a 3D too. So copy it so that you'll be able to scale it. Okay, ensure there is spacing. Spacing is another important element or principle in graphics design. So if your hand is shaking, use your relative position key, okay, and use your direction key to move it to the center and reduce the size. So guys, change the color of this text to red. Okay, so we want the color to be red. Then ensure you've positioned everything how it's supposed to be. Can you see? So go ahead and merge everything now. You can also decide to save your work here again as you saved the other time before you merge, in case there's any error. Okay, that's the only solution on merging and unmerging in PixelLab, because if you have merged and without saving, you won't be able to recover what you have done before. So what we want to do now is to merge everything since we are sure. Okay, then you can reduce the size, place it in the center, come to the emboss option. We'll be turning it into a 3D logo now. Okay, do well to hold the corner of the bounding box and scale out. Okay, so check the lights, do as I do in the video. You can go ahead and play around the settings until you get what you want. Okay, ensure your design is clear, especially if you are designing for a client. Reduce the bevel to 5 or 6. Okay, so check the light again. If you are done, okay, it's on the shadow. Reduce the blur of the shadow. You can also play with the blur of the shadow too, but don't add too much shadow to your design. Okay, don't add too much shadow to your design. Then let's just add one to this. Once you are done, ensure you reduce the blur. Okay, then go to 3D shape. Can you see 3D shape on it? Leave it on perspective, reduce it, make it 2. You can also reduce it. Your work is scattering, just increase and expand. Okay, then from that 3D shape, you don't need to do much settings there. Okay, once you have reduced the perspective, you can just leave all these ones like this and okay. Okay, place your work in the center, then click on the background icon, go to color. So test the background that you want to place your design in. Okay, once you test the background, you can see you can create effects, different effects in PixelLab. Okay, only if you know about it. If you look at the art Rescilowers TV now, you see that the effects there is, the background effects is different from the free train. That's because there's how we arrange that text. That's the essence of arranging the text. Okay, so click on the save as image to save your work. This video has brought you value. Share it so that others will also gain value from it. Peace, guys.